In adult education, content matters, but so does connection. And that's where coaching and mentorship come in. They're not just support roles, they're transformation tools. They help learners move from knowing to doing and from doing to growing. Let's start with the difference. Coaching is a structured, goal-oriented relationship. It helps learners clarify where they are, where they want to go, and how to close the gap. Coaches ask questions, offer feedback, and help learners find their own solutions. Mentorship, on the other hand, is more relational. It's about guidance from someone with experience, someone who's walked the path and is willing to walk it with you. Mentors share insights, stories, encouragement, and advice. Both roles are deeply valuable in adult education. Because adult learners often don't just need information, they need belief. They need someone to say, "You've got this," and mean it. Let's look closer at the role of the coach in learning. A coach doesn't give answers, they unlock them. They use powerful questions to help learners reflect, stretch, and plan. Questions like, what's your biggest challenge right now? What would success look like for you? What's one step you could take today? Coaching is about accountability, not pressure. It's a safe space where learners can test ideas, explore fears, and build confidence. It works especially well when tied to goals, whether personal, academic, or professional. Coaching builds self-direction. The coach isn't the expert, the learner is. The coach's job is to unlock that inner expertise and help it grow. Now let's turn to mentorship. Mentors bring wisdom, experience, and perspective. They've faced the setbacks, made the mistakes, and found the shortcuts. They help learners feel less alone and more hopeful. Mentors are sounding boards. They listen without judgment. They share honestly but humbly. They say, "Here's what worked for me. What might work for you?" For adult learners navigating career changes, leadership roles, or personal transitions, mentorship can be a lifeline. Mentors model growth. When learners see someone they admire still learning, still evolving, it inspires them to keep going too. So how do you integrate coaching and mentorship into adult learning? First, build relationships. Whether it's a formal program or informal support, the magic happens when trust is strong. Coaches and mentors need to be approachable, empathetic, and real. Second, set clear expectations. Is this a weekly check-in? A project-based partnership? A 6-month mentoring match? Clarity helps both sides show up with purpose. Third, train your mentors and coaches. They don't need to be experts in everything, but they do need tools to listen deeply, ask good questions, and give constructive feedback. Fourth, honor diversity. Match learners with mentors or coaches who reflect a range of backgrounds, experiences, and identities. Representation matters and helps learners see what's possible. Fifth, celebrate progress. Small wins, big breakthroughs, quiet persistence, it all counts. Mentors and coaches should recognize and reflect those moments back to the learner. And sixth, encourage reflection. Ask both sides, what are you learning from this relationship? Because coaching and mentorship don't just benefit the learner, they grow the guide too. In a world of endless content, coaching and mentorship offer something deeper. A sense of connection, encouragement, and real human growth. They remind learners that they're not alone, that someone is walking beside them, and that their goals are possible, not someday, but starting now. So whether you're coaching, mentoring, or building programs that include both, know this: you're not just supporting learning, you're changing lives. One insight, one conversation, one learner at a time.